down. We're doing a 2-day trip, staying here on the island. Look at all that. Oh, I'm on! Oh, fuck it, man! Welcome back to another episode, guys. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything, but we're back. Mainly because I haven't caught anything and just a lot has happened, but I'm here with my family. We're doing a 2-day trip, staying here on the island, doing a bit of camping, fishing, and yeah, just enjoying our time here.
Ourselves a nice little campfire.
Oh, it really does look like we're sponsored by
King's A. Sponsored by King.
Semi, because then we can all sit in our chat still, like,
true.
and then the fire be in the middle.
Yeah.
Cheers, boys.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh.
That's the breakfast, boys.
Cheers, bro. Cheers. Yeah, alright.
They're not connected.
Oh!
Oh, there goes the zip ties. Oh.
How many do you need? Hey?
That was all the zip ties.
Bloody hell, guys.
Yeah, that would have thrown way better. Hey, wait.
No, don't throw it. Don't throw it.
Alright, let's go. They're trying to slow us down, man. Let's
Alright. Are we ready for some tailor action or what?
I'll go to a tailor bust up.
We will.
Alright.
These guys are gonna get some crabs.
You guys catch a crab, we'll catch the fish. Alright, you said it. Alright.
Watch them push the boat back out, eh?
Yeah.
They're going to walk out.
Film him, Michael.
Yeah, I am.
It's gonna be funny, as.
Alright, boat's in.
No, I'm good. Alright, we catch some real fish then, I bet.
Some bus stops right there. Smashing right there. We assume the tailor, so we chuck out some metals and see what's going on. Oh, they're jumping out the water. Oh, right in front of us as well. Oh, look at all that. Oh, I'm on. Yeah, let's go. I'm on. Yeah, look at my tailor right there. Let's go.
What's the tailor?
Yeah.
What are you using there?
Just a jig. Nice little tailor. First cast. Oh, there's heaps of white bait coming out of the mouth.
Is it?
Yeah.
So they're eating white bait.
Did we scare the school already? Oh.
Like, would have been lunch.
This guy is sponsored by BCF. You should be able to catch us some fish.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, BCF guy. I'm Anaconda. Anaconda!
Tidal peril.
We got lures. We got lures. Oh, shit! Oh! Wait, watch the propeller!
I got it.
Oh my god.
Oh! He fell in! No!
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, fuck it, man!
Walk the other way. I go, it's walk up the other way.
Oh!
Oh my!
No, it's like, oh!
Retarded, man.
So we just got back to camp. I'm gonna relax now, head back out later. Yeah, see what we'll do later. Just gonna grab lunch. We haven't really eaten anything yet except had a few beers.
I was like, nah, I don't want to do it. And this guy's like, do it. Fine.
And pushes him in the water.
Welcome to Michael's Fishing.
Hey. Yo, welcome to It's Michael Fishing. Welcome to another episode of Michael Fishing. We're going to kill someone today.
Come back with a banger. You got the content.
Tom's over there like, man,
I have nothing to do with it. He said, yeah, I'll drink my dad's grave now. Look.
Just in case, I kill him later,
You're gonna get full Aboriginal and likes and shit.
Oh, that's great, mate.
Alright, Lewis. That's how you get a
You
fire
keep yourself
going.
Australian, mate. It's not Australian.
Right here.
Oh,
right in the
Watch
spot.
this, boys.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
Oh, smooth, man.
Oh, you know.
No! You shot it!
Hey, no, what the fuck? Come here. Come here. Yo, you're the I actually fought in the tent, so good luck.
That's alright. No way.
Oh, not very long, man. Maybe like a minute.
Minute plus 20. Can't catch any. Oh, there goes your potato. Oh,
He's done it, baby. Barely tight.
yeah, let's go. We got dinner tonight. Dinner. Hey, GoPro's on, no worry. Oh, there's a stonker of a brim.
Alright, dinner. So Trooks fishing. Here we got David, Alec.
Yep.
It's Michael Fishing here.
Yep.
And we got Kevin.
Yep.
And we're gonna go get some crab balls right now.
Yep. Gotcha, bro.
Let's go! No seatbelts at all. We got refugee style. What Trook experienced when he came here to Australia 10 years ago. Alright? This is the actual footage of one footage.
Oh, shit.
What is he? It's not, as you can see, it's about 5.
What the fuck?
He went through this for 10 hours. 10 hours straight. You know? Alright, and let's go!
You know how many crab we can catch?
About 100.
Oh, how?
I aim for 100, but if we get 90.
Yeah, true. That's true. Alright, well, pull the crab up, mate.
So that's about 10.
Oh. Oh. What the fuck's nothing?
The face on it is not showing.
So you didn't catch any crab?
Oh, not yet, boys, but that's not the spot. That's what Welcome to It's Michael Fishing, and this is the first spot that we're going to check for the day, alright?
Yep.
And we're about to pull up, and hopefully we get a legal one.
Oh yeah, let's go!
Let's go!
First spot of the day. Let's go.
First spot of the day, you know, we haven't checked any other box yet. You know.
Motherfucker!
Oh, this massive one right here. It's millions of them.
To us, it's only 2 days max, but this Abo guy here reckons we're going to have 4 days, ain't Golf?
Yeah, man. 4 days.
Because he's a little bitch. So
4 days.
4 days according to him.
My fucking boat is stuck over there.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do now?
Oh, I found dinner. Where?
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Go, you go that way, I go this way. Go. Let's go. Where is it? Oh, where is it?
I went that way. I went that way.
So this idiot here lost his phone.
Oh, don't even know.
Just keep it in your pocket. Wait till he realizes.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Guaranteed crabs, by the way.
Tune in tomorrow morning. We're gonna check the pots for the first time.
Yeah, that's it. We haven't checked our pots
We
yet.
haven't checked it yet. We're gonna leave it to tomorrow morning. That's when we know we're going to get the crabs. So.
That's it. That's it.